I'm gonna be using Insta360 X5 for a car commercial. Let's go! Insta360 is fantastic camera for video. I already put it through the fire. I even put it into the seawater. I also took it to the edge of the cliff. But today we're gonna attempt and use just X5 for car commercial. So we found a car park and we're gonna do the first shot of the day. So Grace's gonna be driving the car. I'm gonna be sitting somewhere in the middle of the car park, and then we'll see what's gonna happen. Oh, I hope my hair is okay. Is my hair okay? That's right. So I'm gonna be, probably I'm gonna be where you are. So yeah, Grace, you have to be way closer. Let me try sitting down first. It's like, we're gonna do something different. So we're gonna raise the Insta360 way higher, and I'm just gonna be lying down. Okay. There we go. Yeah, that should work. All right, second take. Oh, it's a bit dirty. Don't judge me. Oh, Mark have the cloth. Look at this. He's a professional here. Okay, so I'm gonna start rolling. And action! So just this part. A bit closer. Okay. All right, we're off because I think there's security looking at us. So all right, we're in the second location. I'm gonna be on top of the car. Oh my God. Okay. Actually, Grace, can you hold this? Why? Oh, okay. Oh, Mark, what am I doing with my life? I think I'm gonna just lie down. I'm not gonna stand. Guys, give it to me. Give it to me there. Yeah, that's it. If something, guys, I'm just fixing the roof. Grace, please don't brake very hard, all right? Yeah, cool. Stop. Ah! Okay, up to here, that's fine. Let's do one more time. Finish this shot. Oh, Mark, take this.
Every day feels the same. The city never sleeps. Only gets louder. The horns, the footsteps, the rush of strangers passing by. I can feel the weight pressing down on me. I crave silence. Not just quiet, but peace. The sound of the city disappears. It's not just a car. It feels like a friend.
So now we're actually gonna do a shot that I always wanted to try, where we're gonna have the camera going through like this and through the like this and through the car like this, so it sticks out there. Go.
Driving around this guy. And Mark's there. That's insane. That's how Grace is learning how to drive.
There you go. So what do you think, guys? Is this car commercial good enough to be on TV? Comment below with your thoughts. Also, if you're into photography or filmmaking and want to support this channel, do share this video and subscribe. I will be posting more crazy content soon.